Go ahead, just turn it on. Well, off everything is proper. When turned on, water is leaking from the that there is no leakage over here. There's no pipe cut as on it, but there's a lot of water being left. So I need to figure out what is the issue with it. And so the black soap preventer, all pipes, I think that the washer is proper, everything is good.